Today for our science lesson, we are going to continue talking about the different states of matter. And as you remember yesterday, the three states of matter that we talked about were solid, liquid, and gas. So the book we're reading today, the title is Matter Comes in All Shapes by Amy Hansen. If you look at our table of contents, we're going to talk about what is matter, is all matter the same, what isn't matter, is your cookie matter, show what you know. The back of our book also has a glossary and an index. So what is matter? Pour milk to make cookie dough. The milk is made of matter. Touch the bowl. The bowl is made of matter. Smell the cookies baking. It is matter you smell. So eggs are made of matter too. Matter is everything that has mass and takes up space. Can you name some of the matter used to make cookies? So look at this picture and remember, matter is everything that has mass and takes up space. So this picture, flour takes up space, butter takes up space, the milk takes up space, as do the bowls and the container holding the milk and our measuring tools. So those are all different types of matter. Is all matter the same? Matter can be liquid, such as milk. It has mass and it takes up space. Liquids are matter that cannot hold their shape. They need a container. Matter can be solid, such as the bowl. It has mass and takes up space. Matter can be gas, such as air. The smell of the cookies is part of the air, a mixture of gases. It has mass and takes up space. How do you know that gas takes up space? Blow into a balloon 3 times. Your breath is made of air. Now feel the balloon. That is how much space 3 breaths of air takes up. The balloon keeps the air from spreading out. Gases expand to fill the space. Is your chair made of matter? Can you feel it? Does it take up space and have mass? Yes, your chair is made of matter. A chair is a solid. Solids hold their shape. What about water for washing? Does the water take up space and have mass? Yes, the water is made of matter. What isn't matter? What isn't made of matter? The light coming in your window is not matter. It is energy. Energy does not have mass or take up space. Is your cookie matter? Now it is time to eat the cookie. You pick it up and feel it has mass. Is the cookie made of matter? So show what you know. So can you think of a liquid other than milk or water? Is that liquid made of matter? How can you use a balloon to show gas taking up space? What is not made of matter? Now you're going to go back to Seesaw and you are going to complete slides 2 through 9 and determine what objects are made of matter and what type of matter. Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas?